and welcome to part 3 of Megan Plays Bioshock. Last time, I got really scared, and this time, I'm probably gonna get really scared too. I'm really bad at shooters. Oh, am I supposed to go back up there? That's where my arrow is pointing me. Oh no, I'm supposed to go in here. Oh, nope, I don't want to go in there. I don't like that noise. I don't like that noise at all. Oh, what's that? I want that. Dollars! Here is... Oh, a diary?
Another New Year's, another
Cool.
night alone.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Out and you're stuck in Festus, working.
Aw, sorry, Diane.
Oh, just guess I'll have another drink. Here's a toast to Diane McClintock.
Yeah.
Silliest girl in Rapture. Silly enough to fall in love with Andrew Ryan.
I don't want to go in the boys' room. There's never anything good in the bathrooms.
What happened? Oh, I'm bleeding. Oh,
Oh,
God.
Diane's bleeding.
What's happening?
Oh, this is not fun. Oh, that's not good. Oh, Jesus.
Careful now. Would you kindly lower that weapon for a minute?
Why am I lowering the weapon? Atlas, would you tell me why I'm doing things?
You think that's a child down there?
No.
Don't be fooled.
Oh, shit.
She's a little sister now. Somebody went and turned a sweet baby girl into a monster. Whatever you thought about right and wrong on the surface, well, that don't count for much down in Rapture. Those little sisters, they carry Adam, the genetic material that keeps the wheels of Rapture turning. Everybody wants it,
Okay.
everybody needs it.
Dirty bears? Why are the bears dirty, though? Do I have to deal with her? No, I don't have to deal with her. Okay. Oh no, oh, God. Why am I playing this? Why am I playing this? This is so scary. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. No. Oh. Can I please have my weapon? What is it? It's a Big Daddy. Oh my God. I don't like this. Oh. Oh no.
That's the Big Daddy. She got it out of him. He keeps her safe.
Please go away. Please go away. Please go away. I'll take your stuff. Oh, I shouldn't have done that, should I? Oh, no. Oh, and I can't go that way, can I? I guess I'm gonna have to go that way. Yeah. Yay! I get to go the way that the Big Daddy did. I don't want to go that way.
They always arrive with outstretched hands. Gonna chew dollars at you! How dare you!
No, I gotta do the thing. This is hard. Press escape. Okay, yeah, let's save that real quick. Why is it just now telling me this? I should be able to save my game, like, all the time. Ay, 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 ay. That's an annoying mechanic.
Splicer in the water. Hit him with the electrobolt.
Oh, that's... Shit, 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 shit. I'm not good at this. I found dollars. That's a those. That's... Oh! Oh! Good morning, Rapture. Wait, where do I want to go? Okay. Today's bulletin. Good morning, Rapture. Stay up to... Oh,
Security alert in
shit. Shit. What the heck? What do I do? What do I do? What on earth? Way to... This sucks. This sucks. And I'm gonna die here. Oh, crap. Come on, do the thing, do the thing. Go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, let's just do that.
What are you waiting for? Go!
Okay, where's medical? Where's medical? Medical. Is there anyone in medical? Oh, God. Yep.
You're trapped. Gonna try to override the exit from here.
Thanks, Atlas.
So tell me, friend, which one of the bitches sent you? The KGB wolf or the CIA jet?
I sent myself here, thank you.
Rapture isn't some sunken ship for you to
Plane
plunder.
crash sent me here.
And Ryan isn't a giddy socialite who can be slapped around by government muscle. And with that, farewell, or das Lavagna,
I don't like you. Oh, shit. Oh. Shit, 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 shit. What do I do? Where do I go? Help me, help me, help me. Oh my goodness. Well then! Or should I say, well then, but that's the first time you've ever heard that joke. I guess I'm gonna stop there, because I just about peed my pants about 1,000 times. And, I'm scared to death. And I don't want to deal with any more of those things anymore. So, thank you for watching this episode of Megan Plays Bioshock, and I will hopefully see you in the next video, where I do more things with scary things. Oh, little sister's in this level. I don't want to do that. So, hopefully I'll see you in the next video where I deal with the little sisters. Yay. Please like and subscribe to all of that jazz. See you soon.